had started Success Leaves Clues, and this is the second episode that we have today. And today I'm going to have a guest. Well, this is Navratri time, and so that's why I have chosen a woman entrepreneur to come here and share her learnings, because this whole Success Leaves Clues is an episode where I invite entrepreneurs who are currently success in the making. Well, they have already achieved success, but there is a long way to go, which they believe. And today with me is an amazing entrepreneur who has achieved super success in her very own way. So let me first invite this awesome entrepreneur, Meenal Jende, today. So Meenal, can you just join us today? So welcome to the show.
Thank you, Kedar.
Thank you so much. You can have a seat. And so Meenal here today is an entrepreneur who has entered the male bastion of where it was only, she was the first female entrepreneur to enter into this arena where it is called as the scanning printing business, which was there, and she was the first scanner operator ever to pass out from the JJ school, and she's done this business, and she's created a brand creating company called as Yadnya Brandscapes, and this company has been in existence for the past 18 years. Is an amazing achievement in itself, being into this field, and I think you have currently built a team of close to 25 professionals. Okay, 25 professionals, and not only that, she is a winner of 3 prestigious awards. One of them, she's got an award for excellence in service as a women entrepreneur from Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce. She's also been awarded by the Thane Vaibhav as the Women of Substance, and she's also received an Action Taker Award from Success Habits Academy for the quarter. So amazing awards to her name. She also does a lot of social work through Rotary, which she does. So let's hear it out from Meenal and all the women entrepreneurs out there, as well as male entrepreneurs. Let's have some learnings from Meenal.
Yes.
So Meenal, welcome to the show. And the first question is, what made you enter this arena? The one which you are the first lady who's entered into this arena. So what made you come into this?
So I am into brand solutions. I started as a printing graduate from JJ School of Arts, and something like my Baba always used to tell me ki you have to do something on your own. It's not like मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात ना की नोकरी नाही करायची, आपल्याला स्वतःचा व्यवसाय करायचा. He was an entrepreneur by heart. He was a school teacher.
Okay.
And then he wanted to see me as an entrepreneur. So that's where बाळकडू मिळालं म्हणतात तसं.
Okay, so you believe it is your dad who installed this thought in you, and that's an amazing thing. And you lived his dream.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm still living it.
And you're still living his dream. So this was your thought process. Now, if a lot of entrepreneurs or people who want to be entrepreneurs have this thought process, but it is actually when you take action, things start to happen. So what is that action that you took after that? I mean, because obviously you built this company leaps and bounds. So what was that you actually did?
So I was actually looking for some good opportunity, some better opportunity, and I am just actually passionate about watching TV.
Okay.
I am a television lover since childhood.
Okay.
And I was just someday watching something on television, and then that time it was called as Alpha Marathi. There was an advertisement.
Okay. Now the Zee Marathi.
Now it is called as Zee Marathi. So that time that advertisement was there that they are looking for general sales agents. This is, I am talking about 2001.
Okay, so that's almost 18 years back.
Yeah, 21st September 2001 we signed the contract with that time Alpha Marathi, now Zee Network, as a general sales agent. So on this 21st September we just completed 18 years.
Wow. Congratulations on completing 18 years.
Thank you.
Okay.
And the thought process behind starting that was, actually I am born and brought up in Thane. So the intention was providing international level talent, because me and my husband, both of us, were working on different, like on international, multinational clients we were working on when we were on our jobs. So providing that international talent at Thane,
Okay.
to the regional and local clients in their own affordable rates. That
Okay.
is what our thought process was, and that
Okay.
is how we started.
Okay.
And we can see that our clients, we have grown with our clients.
Okay.
All these years, like the clients which we had since last 18 years, we
Okay.
are still working with them.
Okay.
partnering them in their
Wow.
journey.
So you have still have hold on to your clients which are there for the past 18 years. That's one. So what's now a simple question which people will have is 18 years say there are clients जो आपके साथ जुड़े हैं and they still want to continue with you. What is the secret to that? I would want you to share it with our viewers right now.
Actually, there is nothing to be kept as secret. That is the secret behind that.
Okay.
So,
But what should
to
budding
elaborate that,
entrepreneurs?
to elaborate that, we have always maintained transparency with our clients. That is first, and we have always kept ourselves in their shoes.
Okay. You put yourselves into their shoes.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
think like what exactly the client needs.
Yes, exactly. And maintaining developing the relationship.
Building a rapport, right?
Yes, building a rapport. Actually foreseeing what actually would be their business challenge.
Okay. Okay.
Catering to that and
Okay.
providing them proper perfect service, consultancy and execution,
Wow.
everything.
Wow. So that's
So-
that's something. If you have made a note of that,
Yeah.
that's wonderful. And going along the way, I am sure you must have had some challenges, some challenging clients at times. Would you love to share something so that people understand कि when there is a client which you are not able to close, you wanted a client to have, you have that client, and what did you do with any such case study if you would like to share?
Okay, so case study is actually most of the time what happens is there is some different problem for clients and they are not aware what actually the real problem is, and they come up with something, we want this.
Okay.
So with one of our client that happened that way only. They wanted to have some exhibition stall designed,
Okay.
and there how we started our first interaction with them. There was a series of meetings of almost 13 to 14 meetings
Okay.
over a period of
For a
almost
stall design.
for almost 3 months.
Oh my God. Okay.
And we were actually having very close to heart communication. Actually, what is their requirement, what is the challenge that they want to look at, and what is their area of expertise, what is that they want to put forth. We were actually having communication every now and then with them for almost 3 months, series of 13 to 14 meetings. And then finally what happened is stall designing was a different aspect, and we started doing entire their creative services because they came to know that what actually we want is a actual pathway of
Okay.
how to project our brand to the people.
Okay. So you understood basically what challenge they are facing
Yes.
and gave them a solution
Yes.
based on what is their need, and then moved out from just a stall design to their complete brand solutions partners.
Yes, and
Okay.
that client is one of our biggest clients now.
Okay. Okay.
And we are doing all creative duties for them. We are doing audio visual making. We are
Wow.
doing digital marketing for them.
Okay. So what kind of services does your company provide? So because you started, what was it you started with, and now what are the bouquet of services that you provide? Can you share?
So as I mentioned, we started with television.
Okay.
Uh,
So with television,
making
what were you
audio-
doing?
Making audio visuals for
Making
clients.
audio visuals.
Yeah,
Okay.
for advertisement, infomercials,
Okay.
which is like giving information about that particular client
Perfect.
and telecasting that on the television.
Perfect.
We started with that in 2001.
Okay.
Then as on the client's requirements were increasing, then in 2004 we started with print advertisements, releasing advertisements in newspapers.
Okay.
Then we started with events in 2006.
Okay.
So actually the motto was providing everything to client in the international quality.
Okay.
So whatever was their requirement, we started fulfilling that as
Okay.
per their
Okay.
requirement, so that they don't have to go anywhere else
Okay.
and get
Wonderful.
everything, just one point contact, and they get everything on board there.
Okay.
So that is how we started. Then events 2006, then 2008 we started actually digital marketing when Facebook came first
Okay.
to
So
India.
2008. Wow, that's
2008.
a really, really long time.
So we started digital marketing then.
Mhm.
We are a Google certified company also for digital marketing. And then slowly making audio visuals, then in-house.
Okay. In-house.
Yes.
Okay.
Stop motion stop motion animation we started doing.
Okay. Okay.
So
That is what the journey. And now you have a range of services.
Yeah.
You're
Latest
a
thing.
brand solutions company
brand
now.
solutions company. And the latest thing is rural marketing.
Rural market.
Yeah, last year we got awarded by CMO Asia
Oh, wow.
50 most talented professionals in rural marketing.
Wow, so that's an amazing thing you guys do. So I just wanted to understand now. You obviously started with a small team. What was it at the start? How many people? Is it just one women army? Was it that?
Yes, one me and there was one office assistant
Okay.
who open up and lock the office
Okay.
because I used to be always out of the office.
Okay,
So we have
okay.
to just take care of the office for that.
And
And now
From then on, now you have a team of
we are almost 25 now.
25
including-
people.
Yeah, including all our consultants, including our
Absolutely.
on-field people.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you manage a company which has now 25 people,
including me.
including you. Yeah, absolutely. We are a
Yeah.
part of the company.
Yes.
And what I would like to ask is, how did you build this? Like, as an entrepreneur, what should be the mindset when you are hiring people? So let's give it out to people. How did you hire and start and build? So what is your
Maybe-
mindset while hiring
Yeah,
people?
maybe all entrepreneurs may be facing this
Yeah, that is a big challenge.
question
Yeah.
in their mind ki what to do about that. Recruiting becomes a continuous process for
Okay.
most of us.
Okay.
But what I see is because I see like we have people right from up to 10 years who have been working with us. So we have such a kind of amazing team.
Okay.
And what is important is their attitude and commitment.
Attitude and commitment is what
That
you
is
check
what
at the
is
interview level.
majorly important.
Okay.
Skills can be developed.
Okay.
There
Skills
can be
developed.
trainings given.
Okay. Yeah.
But something which we cannot incorporate is the
Attitude.
commitment and attitude.
Okay, so I think that's the takeaway. You know what? You can hire for attitude and you can train for skills, is what
Yes.
Meenal says. So
Yes.
that's a big takeaway.
Yes.
Wonderful. So now, where does Yadnya Brandscapes now? What is your big goal now? What is the goals that you are set now? 18 years, and now what is the goal that you are looking
So
for?
goal is that is our vision that we have seen is some people may call it as a mission, but then I see that as a vision because I can see that we have already touched 1,000 entrepreneurs,
Okay.
supporting them in building their brands, building
Okay.
themselves as a brand.
Wow.
That is what.
So 1,000 entrepreneurs
Yes.
helping building their
Yes.
brands. Okay,
Yes.
wow, that's a wonderful vision that you have. Also, during this entire journey that you have done, could you share with us something which I understand, because there is a family support which is also very important, and for a women entrepreneur, I have seen this. Normally, people are like, you have to balance home and office. So how did you manage that? So because that's a tip which.
Because of an amazing family.
Okay. Okay.
So as I shared earlier, my dad inculcated this in me.
Absolutely.
So it was there already. My husband Kiran, he is the I can say backbone
Okay.
of not only the business but for me also.
Okay. Okay.
If he wasn't there with me, I don't know where I would have been.
Okay. Okay.
And even my mom and dad, my in-laws, they never ever have complained that you are not at home, what are you doing at office, like Ganpati or Navratri or whatever. We have been doing everything at home, but still being at home with them is a rare actually.
So was there a sort of communication you had ever with them? Something, because I mean everybody has these challenges. So ever did you had to have any communication, or what made them also come on your side or be on your side? What
So
was?
that is my regular habit. I keep on sharing with them, my in-laws, my son also.
Okay.
I keep on sharing what is happening at office,
Okay.
what is the new thing that we are doing, what
Wow.
are the challenges.
Okay.
I keep on sharing that whenever we get time.
So
I
your
keep on
family is
sharing.
your
So
sounding
they are-
board,
they are-
and
yes.
they also help
Even
you.
my brother is aware what is happening at office,
Wow.
the challenges that we face sometimes,
Okay.
or whatever. So everyone
That's
around me is aware of what is happening.
Okay.
So they are, I can see they have aligned themselves in this vision with me.
Okay. Now growing after 18 years, now what are your responsibilities as an owner? How do you look at things? Now what are your responsibilities in the company? Are you still involved in daily operations, or is there a...
No daily operations anymore. That is one of the best training that I have taken from Success Habits.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
So yeah, 100 marks to Success Habits for that. Because earlier I was totally involved into operations in the business, and I could see that I am just doing operations only.
Okay. Okay.
And actually, whereas an entrepreneur, my responsibility is to be the face of my company,
Absolutely.
which I was not doing at all.
So now you are practically out of operations.
Practically out of operations, there are good four shoulders that I have in office. Two
Okay.
heads in different departments. Creative head, he has shouldered the responsibility of entire creative fantastically, and there is operations head also in office.
Okay.
He is taking care of client servicing. He also supports business development. He also
wow.
supports digital team.
So,
So
so you know what entrepreneurs have this main challenge is giving up, you know, their control,
Yeah.
and they feel, you know, the company फिर किसी और के हाथ में देना.
Yes.
So what's that one tip for, you know, giving up control? What is that one tip that you would like to give?
yeah, one tip is actually believe in yourself, your training, and your people.
Okay, wonderful. That's
That
so
is
so
it.
well
And
said.
for this, I would definitely give 100 marks to Landmark Education.
Okay, Landmark is where
Yes,
you,
I am also a part of Landmark
Absolutely.
worldwide, and
Okay.
since year 2012 I do this.
Okay,
I
wonderful.
could get that to believe in people.
Believe in people. That's amazing. Now, as a brand consulting company which helps other brands grow, I would love to understand this one question is what do you do for your marketing, or what are the activities that you do for marketing of Yadmi? How do you go about it?
Okay. So I believe myself not as maybe a company to just market, but I believe myself as a consultant to people like doctors and lawyers.
Wow.
So whatever is required, if your brand is requires some help,
Hmm.
that is where we come into the picture. So for marketing needs, what we generally prefer is more word of mouth. That is
Okay.
first, because we have very nice satisfied set of clients.
Okay, that is one. Yes,
That
word of
is
mouth
first.
is one.
That is first. Second is we have our Facebook pages, we have
Facebook
our
campaigns.
website.
Okay,
Yeah.
websites.
So through that we keep on projecting ourselves in front of people
Okay.
with different
Wonderful.
campaigns.
Absolutely. You have a lot of strategies which
Yeah.
you apply for your customers and
And-
which you are using yourself
Yes.
also.
And along with that, we also have a platform called as Brand Gappa.
Okay. So you've
Uh,
created a platform.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We have created that since last 2 years.
Wow.
We are working on that particular platform where we are giving small different tips to the audience.
Okay.
To the maybe through the WhatsApp groups or our people we know,
Super.
people where we have met earlier.
Okay.
So we keep on sharing small little tips about branding.
Okay.
And recently on 3rd March we have published, that book is written by my husband Kiran,
Yeah.
Brand Gappa.
It's a
It was
wonderful book.
published
Yeah.
on 3rd
Super.
March. So the copy is available for public now. On the
Okay.
website also it is available.
So you do keep on educating, and edu marketing is the thing
Yes.
which they are following. And you know what, at Success Habits Academy we firmly believe, you know, the number one job of an entrepreneur is marketing, and for which we have created a marketing mastermind meeting, which even Meenal is a part of it, which she keeps coming to grow, sharpen her skills. And that keeps happening every 2 weeks. If you want to know more about it, you can always get in touch, or you can comment below that you would like to know about marketing mastermind meetings.
Yes, please
That,
do.
yeah, and she's been a part of it since 2014.
Yes.
And I'm sure I'm really happy that I have seen you grow leaps and bounds, because I remember it was a partnership company.
Proprietorship
Initially it's a
company.
proprietary.
So we started as a proprietorship company in 2001,
One.
and we have now incorporated ourselves as a
A
private limited
company. So that's a growth which I have seen in Meenal. So before I just close this today's amazing informative session which we had with Meenal, one tip for people who are entering into entrepreneurship, what is that one thing after 18 years into this, what is that one thing that you would like to give out?
One very simple thing: have patience minimum for 3 years.
Have patience for 3 years and then,
Minimum for 3 years,
okay,
and keep performing.
keep performing. Keep
Yes.
performing. So that's
Keep
it
performing.
from Meenal Jende here. So it was wonderful talking to you, Meenal. Thank you so much for being our guest today and
Thank you.
sharing amazing things, so that entrepreneurs across the world will benefit with your experience, because as I say, success leaves clues, and we had a lot of clues coming in from Meenal.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you,
And
Kedar.
thank you very much. Thank you. Keep
for
watching.
having me here.
Yeah, thank Thank you. Keep watching this channel. Next week I will come back with another awesome entrepreneur who can give you the clues to their success. Thank you so much for watching.